shouldn't speed up myself either. Like, I have much harder time understanding myself if speed up. Did I speed it up? Maybe I split? No. Yeah, let's not do that. And let's increase to like 4. This gives a little bit more time around the frame. Yeah, but I'll do the fine tuning later. But I'm happy with this. I'll commit. I suppose you need to configure these settings anyway yourself, so maybe it should be even a command line, but I'm not gonna worry about it right now. Like, this program is still kind of dumb still, because I'm just wrapping around another program. Like, if I have the uploading function as well, then it would be like actually useful. But this is useful for me. I'm happy for auto editing. So let's also fix Soding's gripes and then call it a day, because we have maybe like an hour left. And I guess like right. I'll edit the title as well. Haskell Hypernerd. Make Hypernerd greater again. Like music as well. Oh, it doesn't work again. So weird. Maybe I need to reboot Chrome. Like I think it's OBS just wants to have one device doing sound. Can't do. So that was that track, right? Maybe we can abort the entire effect. You know, is it any sound? Why doesn't it work? Maybe we need to re-edit. I don't know. Maybe there will be no music for the rest of the video because I can't get it to work. I know. Maybe it didn't reboot properly. Oh, it feels still. What is man? Oh, okay. I see the problem. What the hell? I don't know how this works. Somehow they're related, but not really. Whatever. Because this one will reduce my headphone. And the other one will apparently also help with this. I don't know. Well, we fixed it. Cool. Lots of debugging with Jappie. I should call the stream Debugging with Jappie instead, man. This is finished for now. I'm happy with it. So yeah, we integrated that jump cut thing into the stream to YouTube project. And it will be now the first phase to stream to YouTube. Second phase is splitting up the video, and the third phase will be automatically uploading and scheduling. If I'm still gonna do that, I'm not sure. But at least like we have an idea of how to do automated editing, and I'm pretty happy. So now we're gonna do Hypernerd again, because Soding had some comments, and if we fix those comments, then he maybe will merge it, hopefully. And I like to, you know, keep up to date with the comment. All right, we don't have the spells. I didn't make this project, so no make files. GCAD, C, Kabel, REPL, and then Exa Hypernerd, huh? I think this is it. Cool. And then dub track. So one of the complaints was quite easy. Hypernerd. Right, rename this thing to that, whatever. Wrap it around another program that wraps another program. Yes, exactly. That's what we built. But you know, it works for me, so it's good enough for now. And once I'm at the point where I, you know, want to improve quality again, which will probably be like a month later or something, because apparently I keep on upgrading every month something. I'm probably gonna like, you know, make my own implementation. But like now I have half of the, like almost exactly what I want, which is you don't go to that often. And it only took me like 3 hours, or no, 9. I started at 5, so it took me like 4 hours to set up, which is really nice. And it integrates with my other RD as well. And yeah, having something like that, like this, Rapception, yeah, Rapception. Yeah, but like it's also like all going through the shell thing, right? It's not even. I'm not even doing FFI. I'm just basically reducing everything to strings again, and they're doing the same thing. They're also reducing everything to strings, and FFmpeg is doing everything. So thanks, FFmpeg people, for making this possible. It wouldn't be possible without you. Okay, cool. Right, the backdoor. That's not what we want. We want to have that track, which is in bot. Entity name. Wait, what? Right, we did the room thing, huh? Actually, it's kind of funny. He is commenting about, it isn't that track, right? Oh, I'm on the wrong branch. That's the problem. Wait, am I? What the hell? Where am I? What's going on? I don't know. Is entered room? I'm just gonna check out this commit, and we'll be happy. Just let me copy. Wait, we just do git branch lead config dub track in the config dub track git push. Yes! You're already there! What are you talking about? You can't complain about it. No, what the fuck? I don't understand. You didn't even do anything. Oh, it was on that track, that's the problem. I'm funny. Now revert again. Yes, yes. And then is enter. There we go. The track room name. There you go. So that's that. Oh fuck! I have the auto formatting on. Can't do that. So we need to go to config, and then Emacs, L, then Haskell mode. Yes, this one. So now we can save, huh? That's cool. No more stylus for us. And then we. No. Oh, I just deleted everything. I think I'm gonna delete this. Long is not as good as the original. So we fix that problem. Why not? Oh. No, don't merge. Wait. Fuck. Why did you merge like that? What the fuck? Just gonna go to that commit again. And then delete that branch, and then apply that commit. I have no idea what the fuck's going on with this Git with the Git stuff in this repository. It's insane. I'm just probably getting confused because I'm doing upstream shit as well. Like now I have three repositories to baby. So we'll do that. Git branch. I need to have this one as well. Like we can just delete a branch because it's a reference, so nobody cares. Double track. Push. Okay, you're up to date. You're the same now, meaning we can apply this. And Git is kind of similar to Nix in that it just has a database of whatever change ever made once you committed it. Really hard to delete a commit. Right, it's here now. Up track. I see, okay. Let's just not be creative at all. And do exactly what they say, because I want to get it in. So yeah, how do you like an error? How do you like make it? Get room effect. Well, maybe we can return just a maybe. And then deal with that wherever. I think that's the best solution, because you can't really do this for everything. You just need to figure out what to do on an individual basis. Get room name, get room. So if you have a room, right, if you don't have a room, you want to create it. And if you do have a room, you want to update it. So that's some code we want to have that. And here we just do the better match. May reply. If you have a reply to this thing. If you don't have a reply to the other thing. Fmap? Where do you see that? I don't like it's a bit complicated this to 2.3. Oh. No, it's ending here actually. It's like that. What am I doing? Can't save you, huh? So we fixed it actually. Good for us. 90 Map reply. Couldn't match type name with nothing. I see. Actually we can just void the entire thing. Right, now because there's different return values, so you can't. Okay. Like it tries to get the same return value of both branches of the tree, and if it can't do that, then you have to do it like this. In which case you say you don't care about it. Make it unit, both of them. And then they're the same. So this is what he's talking about. Like if you don't have a room, you shouldn't even do this current sum command. You should just pattern match on this and say like if you have a room, you should do this. But if you don't have a room, you should get another room. Right. This beautiful code. It can actually be pure, huh? Can I do a message back? This is so weird. Dub track. Run config. Mod can run config. Room. Name to set. Here is one of the other channels. You want to be an effect. What is an effect? Put a reaction. Oh, I need to do a reply to sender. That's it. I'm hearing things. Okay, I'm gonna mute you, man. It's over. Zombie. Zombie. Zombie is a great one. Reminds me of Steinig's Gate. Get set. Wait, deja vu. How is you still making sound? I muted. Oh, there's another one. Like you're spreading. Update entity by ID. If you did already do that, right? Set room name. Wait, what the fuck? That track. Is it the same? Weird. Why did I have 2 of those? What the fuck? What did I change? Set room name, that's 1. And then set the direct, that's 2. Okay, that's amazing. Why do you need to get room? Oh, it was like, oh, basically for this situation, you need to check if you want to update it or create it. But before, the get room also created the room if it didn't exist. Oh. There you go. What the fuck is this? Oh, this is one of the weird files. Wait. I think we finished it now. That's like, oh, we finished like 2 of the 3 things I wanted to do. And we have a half an hour to spare. Amazing. Okay, guys, bring in the videos. I'm gonna steal Richard's strategy. I mean, productive jappie is the worst jappie? Why? How is that? I mean, I wasn't even that productive for most of the stream. I was just trying to debug shit, and I'm getting annoyed by that. To be fair, I had like a meeting today, and that was most I did in the afternoon. It took surprisingly long. I mean, I'm not even intentionally productive. It just happened. I don't know. It's like a first world problem. But that being said, I do cheat a lot, like using the entire Python code base, which I just happened to find, and yeah, that's exactly what I want. It's amazing. I'm so happy if that happens. It almost never happens. You always need to tweak or yeah, what else to tweak? What do we do? Let's restart. Also, we need to run HLint. We need to run HLint, and we also need to run. No hints. The other thing, which is hindent, exactly. I bet I have like a reverse for this. Oh look. Oh, what can I do in Haskell? Oh, it's actually the first. Oh, thank you. Haskell is a general purpose programming language, so you can do anything you want with it. Oh, are you saying I wrote correct code? That doesn't sound like. Let's actually do that just by file, because we only modified. Are you interested at all in like using Haskell for some project, or as mere mental masturbation could also be? No judgment, of course, on my part. Track. No, it says it's fine. Yeah, maybe we actually got lucky one. Or XR? Oh, right. Well, you need to install XR, so that's why people like that one. This is not guaranteed to be on your system. I don't think I have it either. Maybe I do. I don't think Gentoo comes with it, and Nixos for sure doesn't come with it. XR. I thought it was like some X plugin in the beginning. It was using X to make it, but I don't think it's that anymore. It's the same. It's cross-R, not X. I did want to have so little to do as possible with X, even though I'm running X. It's insecure. Yeah, we need to test actually. I want to say we're done, but we're not. You didn't even test. Let's kill the chatbot. Kill it, and then run it again. And now dubtrack is no longer configured. Oh, that's why it didn't work last time with the song, because we were on the wrong branch. I just fucked over myself with branches. Really need to pre-commit for the mistake. Well, I like in my project I'm not using hindent at all. I'm using like Brittany, and I'm using the other one, Stylish. I think. I'm not sure how Stylish and hindent work together. Actually, there is a thing about that. Haskell Git Vogue or something. A friend of mine wrote it. A framework for pre-commit check. So this thing will manage your Git commit. And like it comes with HLint, Stylish, Haskell, whatever format. Just more. But yeah, like this guy already made something like that. Unfortunately, they no longer maintain. Alright, the idea being that your committed code is also in nice format. I see. I would like prefer to have a pre-push commit or and at least making sure your malformed code doesn't spread. Yeah, I've never heard of it either. Like I'm not really up to date with format tools anymore. To give up around 8 styles. Oh, you can actually use them together then. That's interesting. I just had Stylish inside Emacs, and every time I save it does it, which is kind of annoying if I go to another project which doesn't like it. But we can test it out. So. I lied. There you go. It works. Okay, awesome. So we make another contribution to Hibernerd. We finished it. Amazing. We need to update that message anyway. So config dubtrack name. Config dubtrack. And then like name. Hey Xinjin, I haven't seen you in a while. code is here. We fixed it. We now can use the song command. I just disappear and again. Oh, you like a Pokemon? Unfortunately, I'm mostly finished. We'll just like this. We need to run the things well. That's fine. That's also fine. Okay, cool. It's just doesn't lie. Yeah, I think maybe Chiroptical is also streaming tonight. You can watch his stream. Because I'm actually mostly done, unfortunately. I haven't touched it in a while. So, yeah, I had an interesting stream. Tomorrow, okay, tomorrow. Yeah, you should check out Chiroptical's stream as well. Or maybe you already knew. I like his ones. But it's like usually really late at night for me. So if I'm watching your stream, Chiroptical, then I'm awake at like 3 AM or something. Just so you know. They're not healthy for me. But I enjoy it. Actually, I don't know what people... Well, it's Twitch, right? Like, I would go watch Richie stream, and then Richie ends, usually, and then you start. So it's like, I can go from the one to the other. But yeah, we're done. We're done. We're done. Raid, like, really, viewers. Wow, a lot of people. Anyone online? Yeah, I'll raid now, I guess. I already made a pull request, so we're actually done. Not that I know. Do you know, like, do you have any suggestions to raid? We should, by the way, do the war cry as well. That's your war cry for today. So who? Exactly, something like that. You can figure it out. Who is online? Do you have more Haskell? Ah! I'm the only one. This is weird. Yeah, I'm the only one. And I'm ending up. I don't know anyone. Like, I started following more people to avoid these kind of situations. But yeah. Anyway, it was a pretty good stream. And thanks for watching, everyone. I really enjoyed it. And I'll be back tomorrow again to work on Raster, I think. But this seems kind of interesting. Let's rate him. He's doing open source. Good for him. Remember your war cry. Do you have a suggestion? Mushian. Does he have a mic? No mic though. Wait, whatever. We'll rate him. So you guys, you know your war cry, right? Echo whatever. Did it work? There you go.